Do you want to know whether you are meant for recruitment industry or not? Or you want to join recruitment industry but you are in doubt whether you possess all the required skill sets to be a successful recruiter? Then watch this video till end since you are going to get clarity on all your doubts. I was on the same place with same thoughts 16 years back, and today through this video I am going to share my journey as a recruiter and how I started my recruitment firm. Hi, my name is Padma Luhana. I'm a recruiter by passion and profession and founder of HeadsQuest, a global talent solution organization. USP of our company is innovative methods for sourcing. We are into customized recruitment solutions for corporates and EPC, oil and gas, construction and manufacturing vertical. Way back in 2005, when I was looking out for my first job, I got a call from a recruitment consultancy offering me a job of a recruiter, and I was called for a face-to-face round of interview. I appeared for this interview, and after the interview was over, I was asked to write a paragraph on a plain paper with a signature at below. That was the graphology test that I had given, the handwriting analysis. And they told me that you will get results of this interview once you clear this graphology test. I said okay. And after 2 days, I got a call saying that congratulations, you've got this job. On my first day of joining, when I was going through the induction process, I was really keen to know what was the, I was really keen to know what was the result of that graphology test. So I asked my boss if he can share, and he said, "Do you really want to know?" I said, "Yes, sir, I want to know." So he told me, he gave me the results where there were 9 negative points, including I'm not organized, I'm not a people person, I am very shy, lot many. And there was only one positive point. 9 negative, 1 positive. And that one positive point was that I am trainable. And my boss hired me with that one skill. I was actually, surprised that this person hired me with just one skill set, and I made it a point that I will not let down this person who had believed on me and given me that first job. But life wasn't easy as a recruiter. When I started, after a few days of training, when I started, as I was not people person, I used to pick up the call, and when the candidate used to ask me anything, if the candidate had any cross question, I used to hang up the call. I was like, my team leader was always like, "Why are you hanging up the call? If you don't have the answer, tell them, I'll come back to you." And I thought, I am not sure am I the right fit here? During those days, we had every day 15 minutes morning meetings. And in that morning meetings, every day, people used to share their achievements of previous day and plan of this today. And there was a recruiter who used to have daily successes, and people used to applaud him like anything. And I was like, when will I reach to this level? And I made it a point that one day I want this appreciation from the team. And within 3 months' time, I was standing at a place where I was sharing my achievements in 3 months' time, and the entire team was applauding for me. And magic started from there. So after the first achievement, I had series of achievements, and I had got a good growth within that organization. I was working with that company for 8 years, and after that I worked for another recruitment firm for 1.5 years. And being a shy recruiter, till heading the operations was a journey of 10 years. And then what was I was handling every part of the entire process of recruitment cycle, just not signing the agreements and checks. And one day I thought, why can't I sign checks and agreements? And that motivated me to start my recruitment firm Heads Quest in March 2016. Since then, when I started, I was a single man army till January 2018. And since then, we have grown every year. And today, we are a team of 12 people. And the strength of our organization is detailed knowledge about the industries that we are operating in. And the best part of our company is that we have exclusivity with the clients that we are working for, and we have a repeat business from same clients year on year. So from being a shy recruiter in 2005, November 2005, and today in December 2021, I am leading an organization with team of 12 people. So just if you keep your mindset open for learning and trust your mentors blindly, you can do wonders. Don't think much. If you are having one strength, one good skill set, come and join recruitment industry. I am there to handhold you and make you a successful recruiter.